Hi everyone, I'm Shelin, Customer Education Manager at Measurabl. Here today to bring you an update on another step toward our new feature called Spaces. Those who tuned into the last video, you already know. For all of you newcomers, Spaces allows you to inspect the performance of individual areas within your site. We want you to have total visibility down to the details so that you feel confident making decisions based on actual data that is already in Measurabl. You can track common area separately from leasable space, and you can make changes to the floor area of your spaces directly within the app. Check out the product spotlight titled Spaces for more information. Okay, I have to get back to the big reel because as of today, you can actually assign meters to spaces. I told you it was going to be game changing. But really, who better to talk about this than the product manager herself, Noelle Volk.
We can now understand data coverage at a more granular level, specifically where we don't have data. On discovery calls at the beginning of this process, I would hear things like, more transparency, more specifics, more data. So that's what we set out to achieve. We can now analyze and understand inefficiencies in buildings down to the space. And because we have this data assigned to individual spaces, we now have the ability to benchmark tenant spaces like we do sites and whole portfolios. So if I'm an owner of a building and one of my tenants is Macy's, for example, I can see how that department store performs relative to other comparable department stores. The data really holds the key here, opening doors to improve communication between landlords and tenants and adding a layer of inspection to your performance.
Evaluating and comparing the actual performance of tenant spaces is groundbreaking. You'd be hard-pressed to find a large enough data set on real tenant performance anywhere else. The idea that you can go into Measurabl and see how your tenant space is really performing, compare that against peers, is truly incredible. We have more information on this new feature in our support article. Link to that is in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@measurabl.com. So there you have it. Oh, I am forgetting one small detail. We have a new look! Enjoy. I'm Shelin.